Minsan mas madaling nahuhulog yung babae.
Wala siya sa nauuna direct.
Wala naman ba sa nauuna? Sa experience ko siya as a girl. Charot. Pero I think wala naman sa kung sino ang unang nagmahal.
Yes.
Sino ang mas huling
Oh, yes.
magmahal. Diba?
Oo nga
Ay,
naman.
diba? Tandaan mo
Oh,
yan.
man.
Rose, nai-in-love ka sa kanya, sa buhay niya, sa pagkatao niya. Susunod na lahat, gugustuhin mo na lang talagang bigyan ng hustisya yung storya niya. So, hindi siya naging mahirap. Tapos bonus pa na ang sarap katrabaho at ang saya at ang gaan katrabaho ng bawat isa, lalo nila Derek, nila Kyle. Hindi mabigat yung proseso, pero mabigat na responsibilidad yung pagganap sa story ni Rose. Kasi ang ganda-ganda-ganda ng kwento niya. So, may in-love lang kayo sa kanya.
Oh. May nabaon ako. May
Yeah,
nabaon.
I think one thing that they will really learn from Jordan is when you focus so much on what you hate and what you don't want in life, you don't realize that you already have everything that you love all around you. And you'll find so much love in the people that love you and what you're able to share with those newfound people in your life. Kasi nakafocus si Jordan sa maliit na bagay eh. Isang bagay na malaki sa kanya, pero he didn't realize there's so much more to life and love, which he learns through Rose and the people around him.
Siyempre may halo pa rin siyang jitters of nerves, diba? Kasi
Jitters!
Yan. Hello! No, kasi siyempre hindi natin, it's a story na wala na talaga kaming control over, diba? Lagi naman siya as for any form of art, once it's done, and you leave it out there, it's out there. And it's for everybody to consume. And that's something you cannot control. Siyempre, di ba, tao lang din naman tayo, may fear siya. Pero siyempre, mas nananaig yung hope na magugustuhan nila yung ginawa namin. Kasi I just always have to remind myself that, we gave our all doon sa paggawa ng pelikulang iyon. And yun na yun. Yung kaya namin gawin eh. Yung maniwala na everybody was on the same page and everybody was doing their job and we did it perfectly. Wow!
Yes!
Siyempre, kailangan ng yabang tayo na
Be proud of it.
Let's be proud.
Yes.
Buong yabang namin pagmamalaki.
Oo.
Ginawa namin yung best namin.
Yes.